is absolutely beautiful out. So we are going on a safari walk at the lake because I am going to meet up with some family later. And of course he's coming, but we're going to a restaurant, so he's gonna be working. So just letting him decompress. But look how blue and beautiful. And I don't know if you can see, but the trees are starting to bud. It's so nice out. Boy, good heel.